someone's new to the channel, so come on and say hi. Yar, mateys! How have you been? I've been in that store for so long, you don't know how much I wanted to escape. Whoa! I'm so excited to be in this YouTube channel. Nightmare Foxy, just get the frick out of here. Oh gosh, dang it. It's like he's mad. Okay, see you soon. Shiver me timbers! Ah! 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 What the frick are you staring at? Whee! You wanna go, boy? You wanna go? Yeah, boy. How about this? How about him this and that? You like that, boy? I don't want to be in this house. You hear me? Don't ever see me back in here, Amazon. Just kidding! Woo! Just look at my back. Look at me twerking. Look at me twerking. Look at me twerk it, babe. Twerk it. Nightmare Foxy, you are freaking weird. What the frick did you just say to me? I say you're freaking weird. Oh heck no. Oh heck no, you wouldn't just say that. Don't do that again. So guys, you ready to get in this video? Let's Mario time. Let's go get the camera set up. Let's go. Oh man. Also guys, enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll be posted when I upload a new video. Here we go. That was a good night rest. Yeah. Ah. That was a good night's rest from me sleep. Let me get out of bed. Let's go get some morning coffee. What are you staring at? Woo! So Nightmare Fox. He went all the way over up here to get some coffee. Oh man, I'm gonna get some morning coffee. Tasted like soda, but whatever. What else? Let's go. Let me go downstairs. Oh man, let me get downstairs. I'm exhausted. Hold on guys, let me set up the freaking camera right here. So you can like actually see him come down. Woo, Mario Sabushka. Yeah! Let's set the camera right. drink some ginger ale. That was good refreshing. Let's drink some more. Excuse me, I have some. Oh no! Wait, what? Did I just hiccup? Oh, I think I have the hiccup allergies. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! This is bad, real bad. Ooh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do here? What am I gonna do? 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 Oh no, what do I do, mateys? Let's go dance to the radio. Go Foxy, go Foxy, go Foxy, go Foxy. 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 Oh Lord, I don't think the music's loud enough. Let's DJ it up. Beep 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 beep. Go Foxy, go Foxy, and let's go Foxy. My name is Fox the Pirate. You don't know me. My name is Nightmare Foxy. I'm all up in your business. Let's go. Hey, let's go. What? You say Nightmare Foxy, that's me. Don't you ever say about me. Oh yeah, I said I'm Nightmare Foxy. Don't you ever say about me. Oh yeah, you little twerp. Yeah, you better swerp. Yeah, you simp. Don't ever come back. Okay, let's turn it off. Beep. Oh man, let me go drink some more ginger ale. Guys, it's time for breakfast. Got my ginger ale can. I'm gonna need some salt with this. Okay, so I got my food, which is a card, says some pepper on it. Let's dig in. Oh, hi, Freddy. Now let's drink my drink I got from Wawa.
America's largest, fastest, most reliable 5G network.
Oh man, that was a good drink. So, what do we do now in this video, Captain? Well, technically, I don't know. I'll just go plan some stuff by myself. Bye, Captain. Well, let me go eat some pineapple.